huwag nating i-pressure ang sarili natin na, ay dapat ganito, dapat ganon ang pakiramdam natin kay God, or dapat pareho tayo ng naranasan compared with other people. God's voice may come in whisper or in ways we don't really expect, but He is always there. I have a lot of questions, like sometimes iniisip ko, bakit yung isang Christian na experience niya na, alam mo yun, kinausap siya ng Lord, okay, meron drug addict, okay, drug addict siya dati, tapos binago siya ng Lord, addict siya sa iba't ibang bagay, ganyan, okay, dati, killer, ganyan. Tapos parang sometimes, I compare myself, parang, is my life is just really simple, tinanggap ko si Lord, tapos yun na yun, parang ganun. So, parang somehow, I tend to compare other Christians' journey to my own journey. Okay, so is that your question as well? Okay, so in our journey with God, one thing we often struggle with is comparing our experiences to others. Have you ever felt the tension? May matanong ka na, bakit kaya sa kanila parang laging kinakausap sila ni Lord, pero ako bakit parang tahimik si God? O kaya, bakit yung experience nila sa faith parang mas intense o mas maliwanag? Pero ako, hindi ko man lang makita yung sagot agad-agad. So, here's the thing. God speaks to each of us differently. He knows us personally. And He speaks in a way that match who we are, our situation, and our heart. Sometimes, He speaks through a still, small voice. Sometimes, He speaks through circumstances, through scripture, or through the advice of people around us. Just because someone has a different experience doesn't mean God is absent in our life. Let's talk about different journeys, same destination. Think of this way. Imagine group of people going to the same destination but they're using different modes of transportation. Yung iba, mabilis na nakasakay sa aeroplano, yung iba naman nagbabus, yung iba naman naglalakad lang. Pero kahit magkakaibang paraan, pareho ang kanilang patutunguhan. It's the same in our walk with God. We all have different journeys, but the goal is the same, to grow closer to Him and transformed by His grace. Huwag nating i-compare ang ating spiritual journey sa iba. Just because they hear God in one way doesn't mean we're behind or missing out. God's work in our lives is unique and tailor-fit to His plan for us. And while others may experience God in loud, clear ways, He may be speaking to you in the quiet moments through patience, perseverance, and trust. And we should know that there is a personalized walk with God. Remember, si Moses na-experience si Lord through the burning bush sa Exodus 3, while si Elijah na-encounter si God in gentle whisper sa 1 King 19:12. Sa iba-ibang paraan ng paglapit at pag-usap ni God sa kanila, both are equally profound and life-changing. The same is true for us. God meets us where we are and how we need Him. So stop comparing, start trusting. When we compare our spiritual experiences to others, we risk missing out on what God is actually doing in our own lives right now. Minsan kasi parang sobrang focus natin sa mga journey ng ibang tao. Buti pa siya, meron na siyang ganito. Buti pa siya, na-experience siya to. So, hindi na natin napapansin. Actually, merong ginagawa na si Lord sa buhay natin. Pero, alam mo yun, akala mo tahimik pero tapat ang Lord na kumikilos sa atin. God may be using your challenges to build your character, right? Your simple questions like this is a way for God actually talking to you right now. So quiet moments deepen actually your trust to the Lord, or your unanswered questions to teach you to really depend on Him. We don't need to figure out everything, why or how, or other people's experience. And ang importante is you trust that God is speaking to us in His own way. Our walk with God is deeply personal, and He knows the best way to communicate His love and purpose for us. So let's think about a puzzle piece. Isipin mo, ang buhay mo ay may iba-ibang puzzle pieces, okay? Yung ibang puzzle pieces, agad mong nakikita kung saan mo ilalagay dapat. Pero yung ibang piraso, hindi mo masyadong malaman kung saan mo ilalagay. Kaya kailangan ng patience. Eventually, when the whole puzzle comes together, you'll see the complete picture. God is working out your puzzle piece, sometimes in ways that doesn't seem clear, but in the end, it will fit perfectly into His plan. And you should really embrace your unique journey. Huwag nating i-pressure ang sarili natin na, ay dapat ganito, dapat ganon ang pakiramdam natin kay God, or dapat pareho tayo ng naranasan compared with other people. God's voice may come in whisper or in ways we don't really expect, but He is always there. Instead of comparing, let's embrace the unique journey God has for us, trusting that He is leading us exactly where we need to be. Stop comparing, start trusting. And remember, God is speaking to you even if it looks different from how He speaks to others. God bless.